The question says simplify the following fraction. Okay, we have three given set of fractions: addition, subtraction with division, and we have a division and multiplication. Okay, they are mixed up, so we have to simplify it. Okay, so when we look at the first one, we have addition and subtraction. The second fraction, we have subtraction and division. The third one, we have division and multiplication. So how do we solve this? Solution. Okay, so for the first one, I have 30 whole number 1 over 3 plus 2 whole number 2 over 5 minus 14 whole number 2 over 5. So I can take care of the whole numbers. Okay, so addition comes first, so I add up the whole number. So I have 30 plus 2, okay, minus 14. So let me add the result. That is 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 minus 14, so that gives me 18. Okay, for the whole number. So next I'll figure out the LCM of 3, 5 and 5. Okay, if calculate that. So I can start with 3. So 3 in 3 is 1. 3 cannot go in 5. I repeat it back. So I have 5, I have 1, 1, 1. So my LCM is 3 times 5. So I have 15. That is the LCM of these three of the denominators. So I'll work with the LCM, which is 15. Okay, so 3 and 15 is 5. I'll multiply it with what I'm having here at the numerator. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 5 and 15 is 3. 3 times 2, I have just 6, minus 5 and 15. 5 is 15 divided by 5, that is 3. 3 times 2, that is 6. So I have 5 plus 6, 11. 11 minus 6, I have this to be 5 over 15. So I can still simplify further with 5. 5 there is 1 over 3. Okay, we add this whole number to this. Okay, so we have 80 whole number. Okay, 80 whole number 1 over 3. So for the second one, I have 11 whole number 1 over 4 minus 4 whole number 4 over 5 divided by 3 whole number 1 over 3. So let me start with the numerator. So let me solve this. So let me take care of the whole number, and you have a subtraction. So you are saying 11 minus 4, that gives us 7. Okay, so the next thing is to look for the LCM of 4 and 5, which is 20. When you try and check it, you have 2. 24 is 2. 25 is impossible. You can still use 2. This is 1. This is 5. You can still use 5. This is 1. This is 1. So when you multiply it, 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. So when you bring back the LCM, which is 20. Okay. So we are still on the numerator side. 4 in 20, that is 5. So 5 times 1, that gives us 5. Minus 5 and 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 4, that is 16. Okay, so when you look at this, you can't subtract 16 from 5. So we have to borrow 1 from the whole number, okay, that we are having here. We said 11 minus 4, that is 7. So we have to borrow 1 number from here. So we have 6 as a remainder. So the one we borrow returns to 20, and we add it to the first number here. So 20 plus 5 is 25. Okay, 25 minus 16. Okay, so 25 minus 16 is, we have 9. So 25 minus 16, that is 9, divided by 20. So do not forget, plus the what we have left here is 6. So we have 6 whole number 9 over 20. So for the numerator, so for the denominator now we have, these are division line. So we can write this division line as divided by, okay, 3 whole number 1 over 3. Okay, so from here I have 6 whole number 9 over 20. Okay, so I can easily change it to an improper fraction. So 20 times 6 is 120. 120 plus 9, that is 129 over 20, divided by 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, that is 10 over 3. Okay, so I'll change this division to times. So I have 129 over 20 times, I'll reciprocate this because I've changed division to times. So I have 3 over 10. So I'll now ask myself, do I have anything I can divide? that I can go, nothing. So I have to multiply out. So I have 129 times 3 divided by 20 times 10. Okay, so 20 times 10 is 200. So when you multiply 129 times 3, 87. So when we divide this, 200 in this is one whole number because we have an improper fraction. So it's better we change to a mixed fraction. So 200 and 387 is just 1. So we have 187 left over 200. That is the solution to the second part. So the same thing to the third part, okay? From here, I have 40 whole number, 3 over 7. When I change this, I have 14 times 7. So this, when you calculate this, you have 14 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 8, carry 2. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 2, that is 98, okay? 98 plus that 3, you have 101, okay? Over 7, which is this, okay? Divided by, so when you change this as well, you have 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, that is 7 over 3 times 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 2, that is 37 over 5, okay? So taking it from here, so when we are going to change this one to an improper fraction, we have 101 over 7, okay? And when we have changed this to an improper fraction, we have 7 over 3, and this we have 37 over 5. We have multiplication, this is division line, okay, that connects the numerator and the denominator, okay? But because of this division line, we have to reciprocate this, okay? So 7 over 3 will now be times 3 over 7. So this will now be, because of the division line, we have times 5 over 37, okay? So from here, we look at what we can divide at nothing. So we have to multiply out. So we have 101 times 3 times 5 divided by 7 times 7 times 37. So when we multiply this, we have 1515, okay? And we multiply this, we have 1813.